To overcome these problems, and for the mutual benefit of all parties, Toyota has initiated a Supplier Development Outreach Program designed to improve quality, productivity, and profitability in the operations of American companies who supply parts and accessories for Toyota vehicles. This program is a three-way partnership between Toyota Motor Corporation in Japan, Toyota Motor Sales here in America, and their U.S. suppliers. Initially, after meeting with top management and holding training seminars for senior executives, the general manager from TMC's Operations Management Consulting Department made a detailed inspection and review of Flex & Gate's facilities, processes, and systems. To implement the highly efficient methods of the Toyota production system, the principal recommendations designed to achieve rapid results involved a total change in the way production was scheduled and how it flowed through the production process. In general, the system is designed to produce the highest quality products at the lowest cost and is based on the concept we call just-in-time. This means that the system should produce only what is needed when it is needed and in the needed quantity. By making sure that all materials and products arrive at the correct place just in time, the manufacturer can achieve optimum efficiency and quality through levelized small lot production, which will reduce inventory costs, avoid waste, and ensure prompt delivery of the needed products. Over a period of 10 weeks, guided by the TMS project team who had received specialist hands-on training in Japan, Bumper Works made major changes in the equipment and procedures. Dies were standardized with common plates, special clamping devices, locating wedges, and cushion pin holders. V-blocks are attached directly to the dies to help align them. Special storage stands for each die are placed close to the press. And innovative staging devices are employed to move the dies into position. With these and other techniques, by mid-July, the average setup time was cut in half to 22 minutes.
Yeah, since they've moved the dies down here to the next to the heim, it's so much easier. It saves a lot of time. You know, and then all I have to do is just back it in, right into the rack. So instead of traveling all the way down to the end of the building, you just slide it in here. It makes it so much quicker on our die changes.
This is where our production begins, the shear Kanban board. Every Kanban represents a piece of production. As we fill up the board, we know when we need to produce this particular product. In this situation, we're running to 910. We have 4 Kanban cards. When it passes over the green line, that means we need to produce this part. Before we started this Kanban system, we had no understanding of when we needed to produce. We had no schedule. We didn't understand how much inventory we had. This Kanban board represents our inventory, our work in process, everything in one. What the shear operator does, he walks up to the board, he sees the Kanbans are over the green line. He knows he needs to make this product. Each shift comes to this board, they look at the board, they see the Kanbans over the green line, then they know they need to make this particular product.
In order to achieve it, 2 consultants from Toyota Motor Corporation spent 2 two-week visits at Flex & Gate's Bumper Works and, together with TMS USA personnel, studied and analyzed the production flow and processes. They then radically redesigned the plant layout for maximum efficiency, cleanliness, and quality control. With reduced die setup times, production now flows smoothly through the plant, from operation to operation, matching small lot sizes to daily shipping requirements. The warehouse operations were also reorganized with visual management techniques, which provide rapid visual control of component and finished product inventories. Special storage areas were developed to highlight daily shipment activities and work-in-process inventories.
I used to be a lift truck driver, and as far as our warehouse, we would just run parts after parts. It would be just a madhouse back there full of parts. Tubs were stacked 3 and 4 high. There was just no way you'd have to climb on them and to look for the parts. Nobody knew exactly what was there. With the new system, it's well organized. They're only 2 high. There's no climbing. It's all of a visual thing. As far as bumper shells in inventory, there is very little. You know, you can drive by and see them. You're not having to move 4 or 5 skids to get the skid in the back.
All these further changes and new systems were implemented by the Bumper Works Continuous Improvement Team, working closely with Toyota's Supplier Development Outreach Team over a period of 8 months from May through December. The consultants and engineers from both Toyota Motor Corporation and Toyota Motor Sales made regular return visits to review progress and advise on the next steps to be taken through constant discussions and communications.
Implementing the continuous improvement system in our plant has had dramatic results. Some of the results have been a reduction in absenteeism in our plant. More of our workers, because they are now involved in sharing more and more ideas on how to improve, they feel a need in being wanted and a part of a team. So therefore they come to work